Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Daniel Orta, and as a NASA team captain at Hartnell College, I'm privileged to introduce you to the 2025 fifth annual Kibo Robotic Programming Challenge. This challenge, which spans over the next 6 months, will involve a series of tasks, including programming Astrobee robots to navigate and perform tasks aboard the International Space Station. As a second year leader of this particular challenge and a proud NASA Community College Aerospace Scholar alum from missions 1, 2, and 3, I'm excited to share this journey with all of you. Uh, so just as an overview, tomorrow we're going to kick off our challenge at 1 p.m. With the hands-on orientation. This session is crucial as it will set the foundation for our activities over the next few weeks. You'll familiarize yourself with essential data science tools, and we'll delve into our programming software and explore the online simulator that we will be using to program the Astrobee. The Astrobee is a free-flying robot aboard the International Space Station designed to assist astronauts in their laboratory experiments and other activities aboard the International Space Station. The Astrobee actually plays a key role in simulating real-world space operations and testing our code in a microgravity environment. A little bit about the software and security nature of this activity. During our first meeting, I'll give you your login credentials. And remember that these credentials are confidential and is crucial for maintaining the integrity of our competition, that they not be shared with anybody outside of our team. Okay. If you have issues logging in, please let me know as soon as you can. But tomorrow we're going to be walking through that process. This approach of keeping those credentials confidential, it ensures our security and reinforces the trust and integrity between us, Hartnell, and our international aerospace partners, including NASA and JAXA, which is the Japanese counterpart of NASA in Japan. They are an aerospace organization like NASA. And these partners are very instrumental in providing the resources and support necessary for this competition. So please keep the credentials confidential to this team. A little bit about learning and collaboration. In this challenge, it's going to be more than just a competition. It's actually a phenomenal learning opportunity for you and everybody around us and everybody watching, because at the end of the competition, there will be the international competition, which will be televised live via teleconference and YouTube. So whether you're a seasoned programmer or just getting started, no need to fear. There's something here for everybody to learn. And if you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask me amongst each other, and then we'll leverage some additional technologies and assistive technologies that can be able to enable the learning process a lot more easier. And that will be very fun to do. So by the end of this project, you will have gained invaluable real-world skills in programming, such as Java and JavaScript development, robotic controls, and algorithm management, algorithm optimization, as well as teamwork, including project management and collaborative program problem solving. A little note on networking and future opportunities. Throughout this challenge, you'll also have the chance to meet and collaborate with aerospace professionals from NASA and JAXA. And you'll also get a chance to network with peers from other international teams participating in this event. This is an exciting opportunity to build connections that could benefit your career, such as a potential job offer and research positions, as well as personal growth, including enhancing your global perspective and understanding of international cooperation in space exploration. Some final notes and a little bit of information in preparation for tomorrow. Let's make this a memorable experience, not just for ourselves, but for everyone involved. So please join the virtual meeting on Zoom tomorrow in the link below by 12:45 p.m. to make sure you have a smooth start. The session will run for about approximately 4 hours, but we've designed the schedule to be flexible to accommodate everybody's needs. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you for joining the Pantherbotics team, and I look forward to navigating this exciting challenge with each of you. So get ready, get prepared, and let's innovate, inspire, and tackle these challenges together. See you tomorrow, and welcome.